mind-controlled innocent other cockatiels to not only destroy the helpless little millet people, eat the millet. Not only did it destroy the little millet people, but also to betray their owners. Hey, buddy, you wanna come up? You wanna come up? Come on, baby. Come on. Attack of the 50-foot cockatiels will continue once I get one of my actors. You get up here. Get up. Ow. Ow. Go fly away. Ow. Ow. Witness the horror of what the white one has done to them. Huh? These poor birds are horror to mankind and millet kind. Who will stop these birds? That will be continued in the next episode. Goodbye. Oh no, what?